The BJP intensified its statewide protest in Karnataka, accusing the Congress-led government of promoting land jihad after allegations surfaced that certain farmlands had been marked as Waqf properties. The BJP's demand for the sacking of Waqf Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan added momentum to their campaign as party leaders organized protests across the state, with B.Y. Vijendra leading in Bellary and R. Ashoka in K.R. Puram, Bengaluru. The issue emerged when farmers, particularly from Vijaypura, claimed that their lands had been marked as Waqf properties, raising concerns among agricultural communities. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had previously issued directives for officials to revoke all notices served to these farmers and to nullify any unauthorized amendments in land records. This directive was intended to address the farmers' concerns and prevent disruptions to their livelihoods. Despite these orders, the BJP chose to press on with its protests, suggesting that the government's intentions went beyond administrative errors. Siddaramaiah countered, alleging that the BJP's actions were politically motivated, stirring communal sentiment without genuine regard for farmers' welfare. Siddaramaiah highlighted that notices were issued during the BJP's tenure as well, indicating that the matter was long-standing and complex. The Congress government, aiming to quell unrest, emphasized that no farmer, irrespective of religious background, would be displaced. However, the BJP continued to hold the Congress accountable, framing the issue as a larger concern over land ownership and government intervention. Both sides remain entrenched, with the Congress insisting on its commitment to social harmony and the BJP rallying on grounds of farmers' rights.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ರಾಜಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ?
ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರು ಇಂಚ್ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ವಕಫ್ ಏನು ಒತ್ತುವರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
ಈಗ ಅವರು ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಈಗ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಇಡೀ ಪಕ್ಷ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಇಶ್ಯೂನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ವಕ್ಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆದಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಪಾಟೀಲು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾಣಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ರೈತರನ್ನು ಒಕ್ಕಲೆಬ್ಬಿಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವರು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ರಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಯಾರೇ ಇರಲಿ, ರೈತರನ್ನು ಒಕ್ಕಲೆಬ್ಬಿಸಬಾರ್ದು.
Because he is the main person for all this issue. Waqf board looting the farmers' land. That's why we are protesting. I am going to Kolara, there also protest. Day after tomorrow I am going to Srirangpatna. I will protest. I will not believe Siddaramaiah word taking back to notice. That is not the solution. They have to take the ordinance. That is our demand.
We want the Congress government to withdraw all the entries what has been made in RTC, and as well as withdraw the Gazette notification of 1974. This is a clear-cut demand of Bharatiya Janata Party and people of Karnataka and the farmers of Karnataka. The entire issue has been politicized for the sake of appeasement, for the sake of diverting the attention of the people. The Congress government is trying its best to divert the attention from corruption. They want to divert the attention of people from the misgovernance, no governance, no development. They just want to divert the people's attention. That's the reason they come out with these kind of issues. He has never during the tenure of Mr. Basuraj Bommai, he has made it very clear he has not issued any notice. Even yesterday he has made a statement, very clear statement, asking the government to order for an SIT with regard to Anwar Manapadi's report.